What is up, guys? Brindle Mining here, and this is a short little video just because I just wanted to show you guys what's going on. I've been packing up. As many of you guys know, I've been in the process of buying a house. We are not closed on the house quite yet. I'm actually putting the down payment to start the closing process sometime next week, so stay tuned for that. Once everything's done and dusted, I'm going to take you guys on a little tour of the house and show you guys what we're going to do with it. Show you guys where my office and mining area is going to be. But yeah, so the X6S, I still have it. It's boxed up, put away in my closet. Downloaded the wrong firmware onto it and it stopped working, so I'm going to have to send the control board to the guys over at Coastal Crypto, see if they can figure it out for me. I tried putting the right firmware on using an SD card. It didn't work very well, so let's see if it's just a damaged control board or not. That's what I'm hoping. I hope nothing goes around with the hash boards or anything. It's a pretty spendy, pretty expensive miner, so yeah. So I did clear up a lot of the excess cables. I had 2 extra cables plugged in for extra miners, but since I know I'm going to be moving eventually, I wanted to take those down. So it's this is all that's plugged into my 20 amp. But yeah, so I haven't unplugged the neck gear because, well, I have only one of these plugged in, so might as well use the router. I have extra slots, but yeah, so right now, before I put the down payment, I'm trying to get some 10-2 Romex wire. Was not expecting it to be as much. I've never had to buy Romex or any kind of electrical wiring, so that is absolutely outrageous. $350 for 250 feet, and that's about as much as I want, because I do have to make runs across to the other side of the house. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm not going to be running any big miners in that place right away, but I will have all these things set up. Probably not in the room. They're probably going to be scattered about the entire house, keeping it warm. I'll probably have to run the heat at first because it's a bigger house than my apartment, and these can only heat up so much. So yeah, so I'm starting to take things down, taking cameras off and clearing stuff out. Probably going to disconnect my hard drives from my PC soon because can't really mine, but I'm going to do that once closing begins, because I don't want to move too fast. I'm moving kind of slow. I got probably half of my place packed up, half, maybe a little over that, almost 3/4 of it packed up, but I don't really use half the stuff in my apartment anyway, so yeah, we're moving forward. We're getting this house. It's nothing special, but it's a lot bigger than this place, and it's my own place, so moving up in life, and that's what it's all about. Just like everyone else in the crypto space, they're moving, they're expanding, doing what they gotta do, so I'm gonna join them, and I'm gonna try and bring you guys the best content that I can. But for now, we are still here, and we are still making small videos. Once everything is done and dusted with the house and all that, I'm going to try and upload as much as possible. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I know it's been just mostly focused over here, but my apartment's a mess right now. There's boxes everywhere, stuff's packed up, things are thrown around. If anyone has ever moved before, they know how messy of a process it really is, so hope you guys understand that. But I got that solo mining Bitcoin, got library coin and Cadena, of course. Really love my Cadena box. I wish I had a Cadena 2, Cadena box 2, or some other Cadena miners, but I do have another Cadena miner eventually coming. I'm in the process of working with that, so yeah, so I'm probably going to finish up packing up some of this networking stuff. Got more networking stuff that's going to be at that new house eventually in the future. Plan on getting a couple servers, probably starting a couple nodes. But that's, of course, down the line. Nothing's going to happen right away. Same with putting those 30 amps in, ain't going to happen right away with the price of the Romex wiring. So it's a slow process. Moving is always a stressful thing. Buying a house is even more stressful than I thought. Lots of paperwork, but yeah. Other than that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.